hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard,
say da, say D, say da, say D, say daddy, mommy. Say da.
After 12 or thereabouts, it's all change. Say goodbye to pliable, easy child, and hello, rebellious, challenging teenager. Ugh, where did that cute baby go? Oh well, let's have another look at that brain. After
There's a saying that goes, the only thing constant is change. I bet Daniel Levinson would have agreed with that. He was a psychologist who focused his time on investigating adult development and the changes in life that create it. It was his belief that adults have a certain life structure, or pattern of life.
If you had to choose right now, how long would you want to live? 80 years? 90? 120? Longer? And do you think you'll change your mind once you reach that age? 50,000 years ago, most humans died. If you had to choose right